this is a little bit different scale of studio. So iStudio 5000, 7000, which is a broadcast or cinema version, has capability of bringing 3D object. So the different style of studio you can easily create. We are providing many objects, so you can bring and mix and match to make many different studios by yourself. So now I'm trying to show what the difference from iStudio approach. And iStudio and vMix or any other device in the market like OBS is very different. I'm not blaming any other things. I'm just thinking iStudio is a very different design concept, design philosophy from other people. First, all the broadcasting device designed for the broadcast operator. Well, a specialist has to do this one by themselves. There are many terminologies, many functions which the broadcaster needs to do. But we add this one in iStudio, but iStudio making all the features for teacher and for presenter. So if you look at the screen here, we have all the container here for virtual board 1. Virtual elect board 1 has this container. You can put the file live as like you do in iStudio device. So here you can bring live video while you are, I'm just doing screen capture, and also the other part we have the Zoom screen. From the screens I'm using, they can capture and showing there. So as soon as I bring the PowerPoint, we have a PowerPoint file coming out automatically like this. So if you go here, I mean the second screen, immediately second screen will show different the image where I can change the people from there, and also where I can change to show where I'm doing all this. This is designed for the teacher. Teacher don't have to know. Teacher should know which one they have to press, just using the mouse. That's the idea how we bring all this one. And also this one, first step you have to do is making very nice professional studio by yourself. We can change background, we can change color of studios, you can increase the volume of the structure. So every this object, including this DNA, you can manage by yourself. When you start the lecture, you can decorate and you can do the scene change. For example, right now we have many different the PowerPoint slides showing the way of presenting. So assuming this video going you, this video going to everybody in the world, YouTube, Facebook, whatever they can do. And from this screen, you see the most of the video production people doing the Zoom using multiple cameras, multiple devices. The Zoom device is one, and vMix is the other one, and they make a connection, and they are very proud of having such a complicated switcher mixer in the classroom. But once you use iStudio, very simple, just iStudio run in one computer, and teacher use this machine as a presenting. Imagine the OEB, the keynote speaker. Keynote speaker watching his output in a large screen, so watching the front screen is like the other audience doing this. In the center, among the audience place, he just make this kind of presentation, watch himself. Everybody watching this one too. This is the way how we are trying to make a flip teaching using iStudio in a large classroom. If you have a whiteboard, we make a background remover and putting the teacher here, and then the screen PowerPoint we can show, and what they drawing, we make a virtual output to show this kind of things to all the people here. So we can say this is the classroom, this is the online class. So this is something like a hybrid classroom we are trying to. So iStudio designed for the people who wants to make a classroom over the world, over the smartphone. Watching this one from smart device, I would say, is the better listening at the class. This is what this type of classroom can have a power to make a live lecture from any place in the office, any place in the classroom. Classroom not anymore for the students sitting in the classroom. Classroom can be everywhere in the world. The idea I'm bringing is designed for very professional video every day for every people from your place. So this one has capability of showing all the different electric whiteboard, not only one, but these 3 or 4 or 5, you can make another 2 here, and whatever you do the mouse, all the scene switch automatically made. I hope you understand how we are working for professional content creation to change the classroom lecture into digital transformation. Hope you understand what I'm trying, and working together to make a new world of smart presentation. Thank you very much. Bye. After that, you just closing the sound. You can make it slightly bigger. Actually, I have to have a device to increase the volume and reduce something like that. And as soon as you double click here, it becomes full screen, so we can end.